What's your name?
It's Denji, ma'am.
Make a mental note, Denji.
Huh?
You have agreed to become my pet, so you're officially under my care now. Which means woof or yes are all you say. Things like no don't come out of my dogs.
You're kidding, right?
Here, say ah. Like it?
So I didn't catch your name.
Makima.
Miss Makima, do you have a type? Like in guys?
Well... Currently, I'm into Denji type.
The end of time, but me looking at me eye, girl, this is say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body in tight, say me making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me?